Hi crafters, we just finished art classes for today and I'm having a view that I just couldn't walk past. So hello from a sunny London. In this video I'm going to show you how we made ships. So come, let's go.
I'm gonna do the next is blue. Blue. This in the middle of this blue dot.
Okay, and
then the handle can go. That hole can hook into this one.
So slow down. So we cut out two of these that are the sides of the ship, and then one part like that, and you can roll this one to soften it up a bit so that it will bend more and it will go along the sides of the ship. See, like this. You put the part like this side to side and you tape the sides and then you bend it up like that. Most of the things on this ship is recycled material. So we used milk bottle lids as shields, put some PVA glue on the side and glued them on. We used a wooden stick as the mast, and we used felt as the sail, like that. We used silver tape, you know, this type, to tape on the sides and also to tape on the mast. So you just take a piece of this tape, you stick it on one side of the mast, and then you stick the sail on top, like that. To secure the mast, we use this kind of material. You know, the ones that you have in packages sometimes, in delivery packages, boxes. And this one secures the mast quite nicely, so you just need to stick through like that, and it will stay there. If you don't have this kind of material, you can also just use cardboard. Cut a piece like that, make a hole in the middle, and tape it here on top. You'll see later on in the next ships how we made that. We made anchors from pipe cleansers. I will show you later on in this video how we made these ones. To those of you new to the channel, my name is Charlotta and I run art classes for kids in London for around 35 kids a week under London Art Nanny. And yeah, I hope these videos inspire you to get creative and get your brushes out, because that's why I share these videos with you guys, so that you can try out what we do over here. Enjoy the rest of the video. So that's like mixing all the primary colors. What happens when
Brown.
well, so when you mix all of them?
Blue and red that makes purple.
Yes.
Blue and okay.
Pull it. There you go. What's inside?
Ah, I knew there were these.
Do you know what they are?
These are lids for milk.
That's lids from milks. We are recycling them and using them for shields for the boat.
I guess everything.
That's like this.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, all over that tape.
What?
Like this.
And then a skeleton.
Shall we make a skeleton so it looks like a pirate?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. I am gonna go for another evening walk in this lovely weather. See you very soon. Bye.